What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to verify your FaceIt account. So, today's tutorial is a bit complicated, so I want you to focus with me and watch the video till the end. So first, I want you to go to your FaceIt account, and after that, I want you to click on the three dots in the top right of the screen. Scroll down and find Account Verification. You'll find that your account is not verified, so you're gonna scroll down again till you found Verify Account. You're gonna click on it, and they'll ask you four things. Check all of them and then click Proceed. There will be two options of verification: document verification and face scan verification. The face scan verification is not available yet, so we're gonna go with the document scan verification. So after that, it will give you a QR code, which you will scan from your phone. The QR code will take you to another page where they will ask you to take a photo of your face and a photo of your ID. After that, you're just gonna wanna do a bit of verification and you're all done.